Howdy, everybody. Welcome back to Outnumber Barbecue. I got a great Black Friday deal on this. It's Gozney Arc XL and the Arc XL Booster. So today we're going to unbox the Arc XL pizza oven. I'll show you how it works. I'll also put together this Arc Booster for the Arc XL to sit on. We'll fire it up and we'll make a pizza. I went ahead and put together the Gozney Booster off camera. Not too exciting to build. Couple of pieces that just put together real easy with the included hardware. It appears to be pretty sturdy, pretty good material. Should be a good base for the Arc XL. Now let's go ahead and get the pizza oven out. And right on top you have the manual, a sticker, and some styrofoam packing. Go ahead and get this plastic out and we'll lift the pizza oven out of the box. Now you just start with number one, remove this cardboard packing. Doesn't really serve a purpose, just kind of protects the inside of the oven with shipment. This second box is the hardware, propane hose, the vent that goes on top. And number three, just some more protective packing. This thing is very well packed. Very secure. Go ahead and remove all that cardboard packing. The manual says it takes 2 people to lift this, and I would recommend if you have somebody to help you lift it. It is pretty heavy. Just take a look around. Very good looking pizza oven. I like this cream color. And there's the Arc XL base that I'll be lifting it onto and then securing it with the screw underneath. So once it's placed on the booster, the feet of the Arc XL just fit in the little indentations, and you just screw it in from underneath to secure it. And next I'll just remove these rubber pieces that keep the pizza stone sturdy while in shipment. I'll go ahead and add the vent to the top, and then we'll add the flame guard here on the left side. And the digital thermometer just held on with magnets. You can just pop it out, unhook the cable. Batteries are already installed, just have to remove the little plastic tab and it'll be ready to turn on. Next, you have to add the battery to the propane igniter, and it comes with this AAA battery. Positive side goes towards you, screw it in, reconnect the thermometer, and just pop it back into place. Turn it on, remove the plastic covering. Easy to switch from Celsius to Fahrenheit just with one button. Go around to the back. Easy connect propane hose. Turn on your propane tank and we're ready to fire it up. So the instructions recommend the first time you fire it up to keep it on low to medium for the first 30 minutes. So that's what we'll do. After 30 minutes on low, turn it up to high. It's been about 45 minutes. Infrared thermometer says it's reading high 600s, low 700s. Good temperature for a New York style pizza. So let's go ahead and make a pizza. I'll go ahead and turn the flame all the way off when I launch this pizza. I've seen other Gozney pizza videos where they do that to avoid burning one side. Go ahead and launch the pizza, let it sit for a couple minutes until it starts to get some color on the bottom. And once we get some color on the bottom, I'll go ahead and turn the flame back on to about medium. And now just rotate about 90 degrees at a time until you get some nice color on all sides. And that looks really good. And here's our finished pie. Not bad for the first time, nice color. We'll go ahead and cut some slices. Well, that's the new Gozney Arc XL pizza oven. Let me know down in the comments what kind of pizzas you want to see, and thanks for watching.